Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Apple ID enrolled in the Apple Beta software program and a current backup. Open Settings, tap your name, and verify the Apple ID. If not enrolled, sign into Beta. Apple, com with the same ID and enroll. Once done, make a fresh iCloud or Finder backup so you can restore if needed. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% or plugged in, because updates can take time and must not be interrupted. You now download and install the developer beta profile. On your iPhone, open Safari and sign into Beta. Apple, com with the enrolled Apple ID, then choose Download Profile for iOS. When prompted, allow the profile to install. Go to Settings General VPN and Device Management to confirm the profile shows as installed. Once installed, restart the phone if requested. This ensures the profile takes effect. After reboot, connect to Wi-Fi and navigate to Software Update to fetch the beta. You finish by installing the beta. Open Settings General Software Update, then tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode, agree to terms, and let the phone download. Make sure it stays on Wi-Fi and connected to power during the whole process. Installation can take between 20 and 60 minutes depending on size. If the update fails or the device acts unstable, remove the beta profile, reboot, reinstall the profile, or restore from your backup to return to a stable release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.